We're here at our Protekt PPF Hands-On live display piece for SEMA 2023. So what we're showing you right now is how this matte paint protection film is going to change the glossy appearance of this hood from gloss to flat paint. So as I apply the paint protection film, as mentioned earlier, it's going to protect the surface of this vehicle from rock chips and any damage from road debris, while also changing the aesthetic appearance of the vehicle from gloss paint to matte paint. It's a highly in-demand product. We're very excited to be launching this at SEMA 2023 to add an exciting and great product to our Protekt PPF line, to our Madico worldwide dealer network of installers.